be playing Would You Rather the Food Edition. So let's get started.
Pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Correct!
Would you rather eat Pringles or Lay's?
Pringles.
Would you rather eat Cajun fries or plain fries?
Hey, you can put some seasoning on it.
Vanilla milkshake or chocolate milkshake?
Chocolate milkshake. Chocolate.
Would you rather eat a donut or a brownie?
Donut. Yeah. Skittles.
Yes!
Grilled cheese sandwich or peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yummy.
Would you rather eat Hershey's chocolate bar or Reese's peanut butter cup?
Hershey.
Would you rather eat fish sticks or mozzarella sticks?
Oh, mozzarella. But they have those at school.
Oreo or Milky Way?
Oreo. Because one time I went trick-or-treating and I got some little
Would you
small
rather drink
ones.
Sprite
And
or
one-
7-Up?
It's pretty hard. I think Sprite. Bye, guys.